Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on screen in case your touchpad stopped working. Now the easiest way to do this is to press and hold the F1 button and press F5 button with it. Now when you see touchpad on your screen, then you can try to use your touchpad and see if it works for you right now. And if it doesn't, don't worry, you can press Windows button, then press Tab button once, then using the right arrow key navigate to settings and then press enter to open it, and press Tab once again, then using down arrow key navigate to Bluetooth and devices, then press enter to open this section, then press Tab a couple more times until you have devices selected on the screen. Then using down arrow button navigate to touchpad, press enter, and then if this toggle is switched off, you can press the space bar to switch on your touchpad. Now you can check if your touchpad started working, and if it didn't, don't worry, there is still another way. Now press Windows once, then start searching for device manager, and once you find it, press enter to open it, then press Tab once and using down arrow key navigate to human interface devices, then press right arrow key to expand this section, and then using down arrow key navigate to I2C HID device, then press enter, press Tab several more times until you have general selected right here, right arrow key to go to driver section, then press Tab 3 times to have the disable device selected, and to disable this device press enter, then left arrow key, then enter again, and then let's wait for a while and then press enter again and wait until your device is restarted. And if you see a screen like this, then press Tab until you have restart anywhere selected and then press enter. At this point, your touchpad should definitely not be working. So log into your system, then press Windows, start searching for device manager again, press enter to open it, then Tab, something is lagging for me. Okay, let's press Alt F4 once to close this window. Let me open it again. Now press Tab. Now use down arrow key to navigate down to I2C HID device. Press enter, then Tab a couple more times. To select general, go to driver, then press Tab a couple more times, and now press enter to enable your device. And now check if your touchpad started working, and if it didn't, then the last option is to press Tab one more time until you have uninstalled device selected, and press enter again. And now the device should be uninstalled. Okay, so right now let's press Alt F4, then Alt F4 again, then down arrow button to select restart right here, and then press enter once for your laptop to start restarting. And when your laptop is restarted, you can sign into the system again. And by the way, check if your touchpad started working. But in case it still didn't, then in such case maybe you have some drivers outdated on your laptop, and in such case just press Windows, press Tab, navigate to settings using arrow buttons, then press Enter, then press Tab once and scroll down to the Windows Update section using your arrow down key, then press Enter to open a Windows Update, then press Tab 2 more times to select check for updates, then press Enter to start checking for updates. And if you have any updates to download, then take your time and wait until they are downloaded and installed. And once they are, you'll have to restart your PC just like we did before. Now, as you can see, the updates started installing themselves. But if you're still worrying, just press Tab a couple more times until you have the arrow icon next to the advanced options selected. Press Enter to open it, then press Tab a couple more times until you have the arrow icon next to the optional features selected, and press Enter to open it, then press Tab once. If you have some optional updates here, then to install them just press spacebar once next to each update you have to install, then press Tab and select download to install, download and install, press Enter, and then wait until all of the updates are installed. Let's go back to advanced options. Optional updates. As you can see, all the updates are installed. So right now here is the only update that is waiting to be installed. So basically what you have to do now is press Alt F4, then Alt F4 again, then down arrow key, select restart, and press Enter and wait until the device is restarted. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, then I suggest that this might be a hardware problem with your touchpad. So I suggest that you contact Samsung customer support service, tell them about your issue and see what they can do, or otherwise you can reach out to the nearest repair center, tell them about your issue and let them take care of your device, and fortunately this will help. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.